Okay, so this question stems from activity 5, and this is number 1. So to determine the number of ways from point A to point B. So to start off, what would you do?
Put a 1. So start with 1.
Point A is here, yeah. So there's one way to start from here. Okay, then what?
And then goes 1 there and 1 there.
So there's a 1 here, and it basically you have to make sure it's on the corners. Okay? If it's not on the corners, it's really going to cause some problems. So a 1, a 1, a 1, that's good.
So the thing was with the way it was laid out, I didn't know if I had to keep it within like the box.
You didn't know where to put the actual number.
So on both different sides of the line.
Okay.
Or
so you didn't know if we had to write it like this?
Yeah.
Or if we had to just write the 1 like that. Okay, so like I just said, you have to make sure that it's on the corners. So if you remember that it's on the corners, then you have 1 and 1. So what would go over here?
A 2.
A 2. So you can write it even on the line, like on the grid. What would go over here?
Another 1.
Another 1. Good. What about down here?
A 3.
Good. So now instead of writing the circle, I'll just put it on the grid. Okay. Now there's no line right over here, if you notice that. So you don't fill that in. Like it's meant to be that way. So what's going to go over here?
Another 1.
Yep. What's going to go over here?
A 4.
Yes. So I can see how if you're not writing the number directly on the grid, how it would cause a whole bunch of confusion. So what would be over here?
Another 1.
Over here?
1.
Good. Over here?
A 3. A 6.
3 plus 3 is 6. Yeah. Over down here?
4.
Good.
10.
Over here?
A 10.
Down here?
20.
Yeah. Over here. You can't do this one until you do that one. So what's that one?
15. Well.
Oh, we have to do this one too, eh?
Yeah,
what's that one?
5. So then 15.
And then finally, at the end,
35.
yeah. So don't forget your concluding sentence. There are 35 ways to get from point A to point B.
Okay.
To determine the row number, we have to use a specific formula. So can you tell me what that formula is? No. So if you flip back in your content, there's a formula that says 2 to the power of
0 or like 8.
n. So it's 2 to the power of n equals the sum of the row. So this you have to know. Okay, if you don't know this, I would suggest writing this down, okay, from the content. Now, what did you write? Because you didn't have the formula, but you had something written down. What did you write?
I just wrote 2 to the power of 11.
2 to the power of 11. How did you know that that was your answer? Like, how did you know?
So, because like number 2 was 2 to the 25, and it gave me that number, so I knew it was below 25. And
Okay.
then I tried 15, and it was close, so then I just kind of...
So you basically did trial and error to get what? How did you know you have the right answer?
Because it gave me the sum.
It gives you 2,048. So if you can relate what you did here to the formula, then you might have a better understanding.
Okay.
So in this case, determine the row number. Therefore, the row number is what?
11.
Is 11. That's it.